Welcome back to the channel. It's Chad here with Sinister RC, and today I have my I6X from FlySky, and I have a broken switch right here, and this happens to be my acro switch for my mini drones. And kind of bummed out about it. I was looking through switches, couldn't find anything, and finally I went to FlySky itself and was able to find the 4 switches I need. And they're ordered out of China. They take about 2 weeks to get here. I'm kind of glad I got these. So what I'm going to do today is kind of open this thing up and we'll swap this switch out. So we're good to go. Oh, this is the I6X multi-protocol module, and this is pretty cool. It allows me to control like the Santa Whoop or the JJRC R010, Yixin E010. This one's a lot of fun, and among others. So let's get this apart. Okay, now we get the open and that severed screw is moving. There it is. Okay, I gotta unplug our power source here. And this cord here. Get those out of the way. Our broken switch is this one. Yeah, right here. That's pretty easy. It's just plug and play. I picked those switches up, I think it was like 15 bucks for the 4 of them. Super staples. Okay, let's get these guys out. We don't need a short one. It's the other short one. So, and there's a. This is it right here. This one should be the 3-way, yep, which is this guy. This side. It's on there pretty good. Okay, I get that up. Okay, I had to get my handy dandy pliers out. Okay, she's tight in there. Let's get this rear cover back on. Plug that back in. Power source. I see why there's a wire right in front of that screw hole. Okay. Right there. Okay, screws are in, it's tight, battery's back in it. Okay, where's my little I6X multi-protocol module? They're right there. Look around the back for the battery I use for it. And I'm about to get out and test it, but yeah, that's just a quick video on how to change these switches out. It seems to function. Controller still works, nothing exploded. It's still beautiful as ever. These FlySkys are about my favorite. I like it. It's really easy to program, and they're fairly cheap. I picked mine up for about $70 or so. Hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.